Welcome to Lesson 7. Today we're going to review some things we already know and learn some new things. So let's get started by reviewing Polly Wolly Doodle. 1, 2, ready, and rest.
Oh, I went down south for to see my gal, singing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. My Sally is a spunky gal, singing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. Fare thee well, fare thee well, fare thee well, my fairy fay. For I'm going to Louisiana for to see my Susanna, singing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day.
We've learned notes on the first string, the second string. Today we're going to learn the notes on the third string. And the third string is a C when you play it open. When you put your finger in the second fret, it becomes a D. So you have a C and a D. So let's count this one. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rest. 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. If I play this without counting out loud, it would sound like this. 1, 2, ready, go. This one starts off with eighth notes and an eighth rest, and you would count the rest with 1 and you come in on the end. So it would be 1 and 2 and. Let's play this together. 1, 2, ready, and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I were to play this without counting out loud, it would sound like this. 1, 2, ready, and. Now let's switch between notes. Bottom note's a C, then we have a D, an E, F, G, A, B, and C. And this would sound like this. 1, 2, ready, and. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's also known as a C major scale. If I play this without counting out loud, it sounds like this. 1, 2, ready, and. Here's a song that you'll know, but it's going to take all of our strings. Ready, and. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is without me counting out loud. 1, 2, ready, and. Here's an exercise built on a scale to help you learn to get around on between notes. Starts on a C and it ends on a C. Starts on this C and it ends on this C. 1, 2, ready, and. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. If I play that without counting out loud, it sounds like this. 1, 2, ready, and. Time to learn a new chord. This chord's an A. We put our first finger in the first fret on the third string, our second finger in the second fret on the fourth string, and we have an A. Now that we know an A chord, we can play the song Take Me Out to the Ball Game. You need a C, a G7, an A, an F, and a D. Here is Take Me Out to the Ball Game. It's in 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3.
Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and cracker jack. I don't care if I never get back. And it's root, root, root for the home team. If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game.
Time to learn Home on the Range. 1, 2, 3, rest.
Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day.
One of my favorite songs is a song called Old Blue. It's about a dog. Intro's a little tough. It goes like this. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's try Old Blue. 1, 2, ready, and.
Had an old dog and his name was Blue. Had an old dog and his name was Blue. Had an old dog and his name was Blue. I bet you $5 he's a good dog too. I'm singing yeah, Blue. You good dog, you. I'm singing yeah, Blue. You good dog, you.
1, 2, ready, and rest. 2, 3.
I came from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. I'm going to Louisiana, my true love for to see. It rained all night that day. I loved the weather, it was dry. The sun so hot I froze to death. Susanna, don't you cry. Oh, Susanna, don't you cry for me. For I come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee.
Here's one that's always fun. Old Macdonald had a farm. I only gave you one verse, but you can always add a couple animals. 2, 3, go.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Let's review When the Saints Go Marching In. 1, 2, ready, play.
Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, Lord, I want to be in that number. When the saints go marching in.
Let's review the song, Name the Notes. 1, 2, ready, go.
E, G, B, D, F are the lines of the treble clef. F, A, C, E, spaces spell face. E, G, B, D, F name the notes of the treble clef. F, A, C, E, it's easy to do. Let's draw a whole note on the bottom line. Notice that with music on means through. E, G, B, D, F are the lines of the treble clef. That must mean this note's an E. E, G, B, D, F are the lines of the treble clef. F, A, C, E, spaces spell face. E, G, B, D, F name the notes of the treble clef. F, A, C, E, it's easy to do.
Well, that wraps up our lessons. You should know at least 9 notes, lots of different rhythms, 6 chords, and about 30 songs. So that's a pretty good start. I encourage you to find people that play ukulele, get to know people that play ukulele, trade ideas, watch videos, and just keep learning to play. It's a whole lot of fun. Keep playing, and thanks for sharing your time with me.